right, and we are live. This is Zeusy. He's ready to play some ball. We've got 2 balls here going for Zeusy. So we're gonna get one going here. And did he get it? Maybe. Maybe he did. Oh, he found a bird instead, and he's off and running. All right. Well then, get your ball, Zeus. We're playing ball, not bird. Okay, good boy. We've got the ball. We're back on track. Sometimes wildlife is abundant here, so we never know what we're going to catch on film. And here we go. Let's see if we can catch it. Go boy, Zeusy. Go boy, Zeusy. All right. Make our way down the service road here. Leave it, Zeus. Good boy. And almost catching it. Almost. Gotta have 2 balls going at one time. All the time. Because Zeusy likes 2 balls. Don't know where the other one went. There we go. Chasing the ball. Gotta find the other ball. Don't know where it's at. There it is. We found it. Good boy, Zeusy. Good boy, Zeusy. Can you do a catch for the video? Oh, almost. And over the cliff. Okay, Zeusy, be careful. So now we're going to wait for Zeusy to find the ball and come back over the ridge. Come, Zeus. Good boy. Get your ball. Come, good boy. And there he is. He appears. All right. Zeus found his ball. Rescued his ball off the cliff. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. All right. Good boy, Zeusy. You ready for the next one? All right. Let's see if we can get a catch on the camera. Almost. Almost. Good boy, Zeusy. Good boy, Zeusy. All right, and that'll do it for today's little fun video of Zeusy playing ball.